Good morning, students. Today in accountancy, we are going to discuss about accounting treatment of goodwill at the time of admission of a partner. As you all are aware about the different cases of the treatment of goodwill, out of those cases, two cases we have already discussed. First was when the amount of goodwill paid privately, then there will be no entry. When the new partner and second is when the new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash, there is accounting treatment which we have already discussed in last video. And now third case, when new partner does not bring his share of goodwill or premium in cash. Today we will discuss about the accounting treatment regarding it. So, when partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash, at that time we have to debit the current account of new partner, because we can't reduce his capital at the time of admission, because he has just introduced the capital in the firm. So, goodwill brought in by new partner will be debited to current account of new partner, and sacrificing partner's capital account will be credited. At this time there may be two cases: goodwill does not appear in books and goodwill exists in books. So we will take first case when goodwill does not exist in books. We have to pass the journal entry regarding treatment of goodwill, in which we have to debit the current account of new partner's current account and credit the old partner's current capital account with their sacrificing ratio. You can see on the screen, entry will be like this: new partner's current account debit to old partner's capital account. The old partner's capital account will be credited in their sacrificing ratio. Let us take an numerical example. Sanchit and Ayush are equal partners in a firm. They admitted Lavi as a new partner for 30,000 capital, and Lavi will bring 10,000 as premium for goodwill. Pass necessary journal entries if amount of goodwill is not brought in cash and there is no goodwill exist in books. So, we have to pass the journal entry. First of all, we have to pass the journal entry regarding Lavi's capital. That will be like this: bank account debit to Lavi's capital account with 30,000, and then we will pass the journal entry regarding goodwill premium amount of rupees 10,000 with by debiting the Lavi's current account. You can see the entries. First entry, bank account debit to Lavi's capital account with 30,000. This entry is passed for capital brought in by Lavi. Second entry, Lavi's current account debit to Sanchit's capital account to Ayush capital account, and this will be credited in their sacrificing ratio. In this question, as we are given with only old ratio, and this will be the sacrificing ratio for old partners. So, let us take another example. Gaurav and Saurav are partners in a firm, profit sharing ratio 3:2. They admitted Samir as a new partner for 1/4 share. The new profit sharing ratio is 5:4:3. Samir brings 40,000 as his capital but unable to bring his share of goodwill. The value of firm's goodwill is given as 48,000. In this question, Samir carries 40,000 as capital, but he can't carry his goodwill in cash. And in this question, we are given with the firm's value of goodwill, that is 48,000, and we have to find out the amount of share of goodwill to be carried by Samir. Let us go through the solution. So first of all, we have to pass the journal entry regarding capital only, and entry will be like this: bank account debit to Sameer's capital for 40,000. And second entry, we will have to pass the pass regarding treatment of goodwill, that will be Sameer's current account to Gaurav's capital account. And we have to find out the sacrificing ratio in this question. So first of all, let us find out the sacrificing ratio. And amount of goodwill is given as firm's goodwill, and we have to find out the Sameer's share of goodwill. So first of all, Sameer's share of goodwill. As we know, the value of goodwill is given as 48,000, and Sameer's share is given as 1/4. So his share in goodwill will be 1/4 of 48,000, that will be 12,000. Now let us calculate sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio will be calculated as old ratio minus new ratio. The formula for sacrificing ratio is on the screen: old ratio minus new ratio. In this question, the old ratio of Gaurav and Saurav are given as 3:2. So Gaurav's sacrifice will come as 3/5, and new ratio is given as 5:4:3. So Gaurav's sacrifice will be 3/5 minus 5/2, and it will come as 11/60. And in the same way, Saurav's sacrifice, old ratio 2:5 minus 4:12, that will come as 4/60. In this way, the sacrificing ratio will be 11:4. Now we can pass the journal entry because we know the share of Sameer's share in goodwill, and we have the sacrificing ratio also, and 12,000 will be divided among the old partners in their sacrificing ratio, that is 11:4. And you can make the calculations regarding amount of goodwill transferred to old partners capital account out of 12,000, that will be divided in the ratio 11:4. Go for the calculation. And now we will pass the journal entries. First entry for the capital: bank account debit to Sameer's capital 40,000 as given in question, and second entry: Sameer's current account debit to Gaurav's capital account, which is given as 12,000, and we have calculated the sacrificing ratio in working notes, and that amount will be transferred to all partners who are the Gaurav and Saurav in the ratio sacrificing ratio, that will come as 8,800 and 3,200. You can go through the working notes again. Ratio was given as 11:4 and share was 12,000. So this was about the third case of goodwill, when goodwill is not appearing in the books. Now we will take the same case with when goodwill already appears in books. When goodwill already appears in books and new partner does not bring cash goodwill, then already existing goodwill will be written off. Means we have to pass the journal entry for writing off of the old goodwill. And it should be noted that old goodwill will be written off in old ratio, and entry will be like that: old partners capital account debit to goodwill account. We will show the journal entry in next slide. And goodwill can be written off by debiting the capital accounts of old partners in their old ratio. Let us take a numerical example. Gaurav and Saurav are partners sharing profits in 3:2. They admitted Samir as a new partner for 1/4 share. The new profit sharing ratio is 5:4:3. Samir brings rupees 40,000 as his capital but unable to bring his share of goodwill. He doesn't carry the share of goodwill. The value of firm's goodwill is 48,000. At the time of Samir's admission, firm has 1 lakh as goodwill in books. So in this question, goodwill already existing is rupees 1 lakh, and at the time of admission, firm's goodwill is valued at 48,000, and we can see we have solved this question without having the goodwill in books. Now we will solve this question along with when there is goodwill in books of account. So first of all, we have to write off the old goodwill, and entry for writing up of old goodwill will be old partners capital account debit to goodwill account. So in this question, all two entries will be same as we have solved in last slide, and there is a one more entry regarding the return of old goodwill. Now solution of this question is Gaurav's capital account debit, Saurav's capital account debit to goodwill account. This entry is passed for writing up of the old goodwill. It should be noted that old goodwill, return of old goodwill is done in old ratio. So the old ratio was given in the question as 3:2. Now second entry is same as we have already passed in our last solution, that is bank account debit to Samir's capital. This amount is carried by Samir, and in narration there is some correction. You have to write here being amount of capital brought in by Samir. Make this correction please. And in third entry will be for the premium which is not carried by Samir in cash, and entry will like that Samir's current account debit to Gaurav's capital account to Saurav's capital account. And we have already calculated the sacrificing ratio, and this amount of 12,000 came from the total goodwill, and in this way we have to pass the journal entries when new partner do not carry his share of goodwill in cash. Thank you. I hope you have understood the concept.